Hello everyone, welcome back to Charminliti channel. In the midst of summer, our skin tends to become oily and parched due to the sweltering heat. To combat the challenges, let me as I demonstrate how to draw the simple facial cleanser. Okay, let's get started. To begin, let's launch the Adobe Fresco app. Choose square size. Select the image icon and click on Photo to choose a background image. Afterward, proceed to select a reference image. Adjust the size of the image that needed. Open the Layer Properties panel and locate the Layer Opacity settings. Adjust the slider to a value of 50. Create the new layer. Click on Light Brushes and then select the Oil option. Next, choose the Oil Pen Flat Brush. Choose the color white to use as the border color. Adjust the brush size to your desired scale. It's time to begin replicating the design based on the reference image. One of the standout features of simple refreshing facial wash is its fragrance-free and hypoallergenic formulation, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. The lightweight gel texture glides effortlessly onto the skin, creating a luxurious layer that removes dirt, impurities, and excess oil, leaving behind a clean and radiant complexion. Please locate the ruler icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, then switch to the circle ruler tool. Adjust the size of the circular shape and draw along the edges of the circle to create the outline. Perform the same process with straight line. Create a new layer to draw the lid of the facial cleanser. Adjust the sharpness of the reference image in the Layer Opacity section. Move the reference image outside. Navigate to Leaf Brushes, then proceed to select the Oil Pen Detail Brush. Modify the brush size according to your preference. Use the Color Picker tool to select the desired color from the reference image. What sets this facial wash apart is its commitment to simplicity. With no hard chemical or artificial colors, it provides a gentle and nurturing experience for your skin. Its refreshing formula is infused with vitamin B5 and vitamin E, known for their nourishing and hydrating properties, ensuring that your skin feels balanced and moisturized after its use. The overall ingredient list is quite simple, aligning with the brand philosophy. It focuses primarily on effectively cleansing the skin surface. The ingredient list includes aqua, cocamidopropane, propylene glycol, sodium chloride, pentanone, pentalaton, phenolacetone, and many other substances good for facial skin. Simple Refreshing Facial Wash is the affordable facial cleanser. It comes in a 150 ml size, priced at under 100,000 Vietnam dong. If you prefer a smaller size, there is also a 50 ml sample available for around 30,000 Vietnam dong. Overall, it's a purchase-friendly option for skincare products that is highly suitable for our skin. Merge the recently drawn layer together. continue the same process. We also begin by selecting the reference image. Adjust the size of the image that needed. Open the Layer Properties panel and locate the Layer Opacity settings. Adjust the slider to a value of 50. We also choose white color to create the outline. Adjust the brush size. Let's begin the process of coloring. Adjust the sharpness of the reference image in the Layer Opacity section. Move the reference image outside. Use the Color Picker tool to select the desired color from the reference image. Adjust the brush size. You can use a simple refreshing facial wash in both your morning and evening skincare routine. It can be used as a second step of cleansing after makeup removal in the evening, or as dental cleansing step in the morning. To use, wet your face and hands. Take a small amount of the facial wash and laser it into dental foam. Massage the foam onto your face in circular motion for about 1 minute, allowing it to effectively cleanse and promote circulation. Rinse your face with warm water and bath dry gently. Follow with your regular skincare routine, including toner, serum, moisturizer, and so on. Select the white border layer and delete it to make the girl look more natural and authentic. Now, let's move on to the makeup part for the girl. First, let's draw the eyebrow. In the past, before getting my eyebrow tattoo, I used to draw them every day before going to work, so I have a good ability to draw eyebrows. Apply a brown eyeshadow to create depth and dimension to the eyes. Create contour to make the nose appear higher. Draw a seductive red pair of lips. Draw the eye base. Apply contouring to the entire face. Highlight the nose and chin area. Draw a thin eyeliner along the last line. Apply a bit of mascara to the lower lashes. And we have successfully completed. If you also create beautiful drawings, don't forget to share them with me by commenting below. Remember to like and subscribe to the Charminliti channel and stay tuned for the next video.